Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to create table and launch format cell with quick shortcut key. So let's take a look how to do that. Here is a Microsoft Excel worksheet document, and we know it's really useful to create table or run format cell. So it's really useful if you know the quick shortcut key, so it will give you do your job more faster. Example, I want to add a table this data. So simply choose that data, and if you want to create table within shortcut key, just in your keyboard press Ctrl T. A new screen will appear here. Just simply click on OK, and you will see that data is created with the table. And here you can add any additional design if you like to add. Also, you will notice there is a filter button. Maybe you don't like this filter button, you can simply choose that and then click on design, and then this you will see here filter button. Simply uncheck that and then filter button will be gone. Now let me share with you how to launch quick shortcut key with format cell. Example, I want add format cell in this particular area. In your keyboard press Ctrl 1, and then you will see format cell will be launched. Here you can add any kind of things you want to add. So this is how you can easily quick shortcut key you can add, create table, or you can launch format cell. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.